Hello guys, it's Kyle Leary here, and you guys might want to look outside right now. It's because of this. There's a winter storm outside right now. It's like the snow is like really coming down out there, and it's like really windy out there. And it's like pretty dangerous out there because of the wind. And I don't know if I'll be able to go outside later because it's really windy. It started snowing at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I think the snow is gonna stop at like 6 o'clock tonight. And as you guys could like see over there, there's like 4 birds in our flower pot like eating bird food. I don't think they should really be out in this weather because it's like really dangerous out there. But they need food since it's winter. They don't really have much food. And this is also the first snowstorm of 2018, because today's Thursday, January 4th. And the last time it was a winter storm like this was on Thursday, February 9th, 2017. And it was also windy like this. As you can see, like, the trampoline is, like, blowing, and the basketball hoop is blowing, and the swings are, like, blown around like crazy, and so is the trampoline. And if I, like, zoom in, you guys could see all that snow coming down right there. Could you see that? You could see a lot of wind blowing that. So, that was all I had to say for this video, so make sure to subscribe for more, and bye.